Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G. This is the 5G version. And this features massive 7000 battery, and this uses Snapdragon 6X Gen 3, and that's why it has 5G. So this version is black color, 8 GB of RAM and 256 of internal storage, powered by Xiaomi Hyper OS. Features 33-watt fast charging, 50 MP AI dual camera system. And it has quad curve design for comfort in hand, immersive 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display. So this is what's inside. It has a charger, and it gives you a USB-A to USB-C wire. So without further ado, let's open this up. Comes with 1-year warranty, and then this costs 730 ringgit. So first up, inside the box, it gives you some sort of manuals, and then it also gives you a huge black silicone case, which feels good. Redmi cut out here, big camera bump cut out here. So I'll put it on later. This is the phone itself. Massive 7000 mAh battery, should last a very long time. Snapdragon 6X Gen 3 with 5G, immersive 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display, quad curve design for comfort in hand, 33-watt fast charging, 50 MP AI dual camera system. Basically whatever's on the box. Then what else inside the box? You get this 2-pin, at least for the Malaysia market, 33-watt charger, with USB-A and rack accent inside, and this is the wire, USB-A to USB-C rack accent. So yeah, let's go back to the phone itself. So this is black color, all plastic body, very thin for 7000 mAh battery. So you get two big cameras here, and I don't think this is I don't think this is a camera. Fake one. Get the LED here, Redmi 5G. On the left you get your power button, volume rockers. On the bottom you get mic, USB-C and speaker. And on the top, this should be an infrared. On the left there is nothing except the SIM card slot. So I want to weight this phone. Let's see what's the weight. So it weighs 221 grams. Pretty okay, given the huge battery size. And you got a small cutout for the front camera. So I think we can power it out. This is how it looks like now. No SIM, but yeah, the display looks pretty good. And wow, it comes with all these apps. Interesting, at least for the Malaysia market. So let's see how fast the camera takes photos. Pretty fast. I mean, it's pretty standard. And then you got your 2x telephoto zoom. So I'm guessing one is telephoto, one is just main camera. So you got a lot of settings, super clear, sharpen, stuff like that. Night mode, portrait, yeah. Cool. Although I do think that, given this is a budget phone, so it does respond a little bit slower. But yeah. So let's check out the settings here. See, Redmi 15 5G. You have 256 GB of internal storage, but 24.4 29.4 gig is already used based on Android 15. So let's see the SIM card slot. Apparently the box inside doesn't give you the SIM card injector. So yeah, so I guess this supports a micro SIM, and those SIM. Yeah, this is those SIM. And if you want to use the second SIM, you can't have the micro SD slot. So yeah, you also got this small rubber accent here to stop water from going inside. Cool. I mean, overall for this budget, the display looks clear enough, and you got all this already pre-installed. Pretty responsive when it's new, and this is the camera cutout here. And on the side note, it already has a factory installed screen protector, so you don't have to worry about that. And if you get this case, put it inside. Guess I have to put it from here. I mean, it is a budget phone, so the bezels are a little bit thicker, but once you put on case, that's less noticeable. Although the bottom bezel is pretty thick, but that's also normal for budget phones, and it feels good. I mean, it really feels good in hand because of the quad curve. And in this case, the original case also feels pretty good. So I guess once you get this phone, you don't have to buy any other accessories anymore. And likewise, it doesn't have the headphone jack. So let's see how fast it loads the page. Actually quite fast. Okay, so I mean, we're just looking at the spec of this phone, you know. So yeah, this was released in August, so very new. It says 217 grams though, but I tested 221, I think. So I don't know. Uses Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on the front, and then UFS 2.2 only. Okay. Yeah, likewise only 2 cameras. Selfie camera is a 8 megapixel camera. And then the Wi-Fi is ABG and AC only. Bluetooth 5.1. USB Type-C 2.0 only. Fingerprints is on the side mount, so this will be this power button doubles as your fingerprint. And yeah, you got 18 watts of reverse wire also. So I mean, this phone on a budget and for elder people, this is pretty suitable given its huge screen, 6.9 inch, and for 729 ringgits, I think this is pretty value for money. So yeah, that's my impression of this phone. If you have any comments about this phone or any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.